Hi guys, my first attempt to paint using just two colors. Black and white. As first alphabet A. I have chosen A.R. Rahman to paint using oil colors. I have messed up and painted same shade. Let's see if we can fix this. Oil painting is easier if we make mistakes and difficult to paint over. Please let me know which painting should I do and using which colors. Alphabet. Be Brad Pitt or Benedict, comment below.